Good morning, world. Me say me wake up and me say it's a blessed day to wake up in Jamaica. Alright, guys. So I'm in the country at my home as I showed you before. So, guys, welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. It's another beautiful day, and it's a bittersweet, as you know, my father had passed a month and something now, but you know they never do the funeral yet, so we're just gonna do it in a few days. I'm not gonna show much, just here and there. Maybe I show you what I'm wearing or something like that. Alright, but now I'm in the country, and as I showed you before, this is my home, right? And it still need finishing, right? Just some touches left, but you can't live in it, guys. See me room there. And this is the living room. So there people are sleeping, so we're not going. So anyhow, we're outside on the Jamaican people say veranda. I had the what you call them, ballista. I had them in before, but because it was a long time, or the man them never make them good, they kind of you call it dry rot now. Them no good. Them just start shell up and pop off. So my brother Omar had to go back and knock them out, knock out the whole of them, and redo them again. But when he did this, he can't really finish it like you want to render up, what you call it, or dress up, whatever you want to call it. So right here, I got my neighbor. He's over there. He's gonna come and do. And you know, this part it was done, but you know, after a while, if you're not get the paint and render up, you're gonna have what you call it, mass, cause a stone, right? Stone get a mass, right? May have a hand of banana down there, so I'm showing you before how it's looking. So let me go over there so you can see it better. So basically, this is how it's looking right now. Rough up, you want to dress up, all right? So I'm gonna come back with the after over there. So all right, you just want paint over. So basically, he's gonna come and touch it up, and you know, right here. So I don't like this part. The last time I do my video, I say, oh my god, what a black part there. So he want paint and he want dress. So we're gonna work on this area. It's looking at my backyard. I tell you, boy, look there, banana tree. My mother even have one yam I grew up on a tree there. I must rent a yam that I grew up on a tree. We have pear tree, you know. Oh, banana shoot one the guys see one day. I don't know if you're ready yet, and they're building on this one. Okay, and pear tree again, guys. Wow. You can't stay here, so guys, and see way over Westmoreland. You see, a Westmoreland that over there, so there's a mountain over there. So, that's the inside view of what we're dealing with. Hi. To me, you're on YouTube, you know. You remember last time I put you funny? My husband there up, so he soon come. So guys, this is original Zil. Say hi, Zil.
Hi.
Zil, me tell them all the time you used to help me with my house, not you? Carry lumber. Everything from bush. Everything. Zil like our next daddy, okay? Zil.
Yeah.
Right, Zil? Okay, me soon come give you something here, yeah? Go on, take time walk, me soon come. Yeah. Take your time, alright, now you drop. Anybody know cane? So this is one little cane piece. One little bit, one little one. Have a little bit of cane there, so. Uncle cane. And oh, see all banana in the country. Alright guys, see me here, me the country, look what me have on, guys. Me behind mosquito go wedge me all on my back here. So anyhow, I'm here my brother around a bush here. We are fix up one little tank, pump, a little something for get some water. Instead of go a river every time. Alright, it's so beautiful around here, guys. Make up my shoe on me good. See? You have to point to the sun so it's gonna reflect on you. You see it, guys? Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna give you a stick so you can walk. Not you. Zil, you stick one cut in not too long for him. No. Alright? You alright? Yeah. We see
to you later, eh? Take time. Take time, Zilla, take on the bag. Bye. Tomorrow? He said tomorrow, Kevin. I'll come tomorrow. See you tomorrow, eh?
Tomorrow, Kevin.
Alright, yeah.
Thursday.
Come Friday or Saturday. Come Saturday.
Christmas Day.
Yeah, Kevin will cook our birthday.
And birthday. That's a lucky girl.
I see you're a lucky girl, Kevin.
Christmas Day.
Alright, Zil, bye. No. You wake up and clean up. As it's a man say next month. So move was. Patrick, lick him now. No? So guys, you have to mix it and box it, no Patrick? If you no leak out. Alright. Alright guys, see we are Patrick me not get video it, but it's okay. Go and rub it down, make show them. What you do now, Patrick? What you call this?
More water. And I bottom this.
Ah.
Then rub it on, get smooth and nice.
See, start smooth it already. Smooth.
Yes, Pinky. Yeah, cool.
Guys, when you mix the cement with whether sand or stone or whatever, you call mortar, eh, Patrick?
Yeah. You mix it with the stone, you call concrete.
Oh, a two different mixture? Me carotid. That I never know, Patrick.
No, you mix it with the stone.
Okay, so when you mix it cement with the stone, the rough one,
concrete.
A concrete that. That's how you use do the column them like this, yeah?
Yeah, and decking and then.
And decking. So mortar now,
I feel splash and render.
Ah, that's a smoother one.
Yeah.
Alright guys, you hear that? So mortar and concrete are two different things.
Yeah.
Right. So guys, see, after I know him, what you call this one now, Patrick?
Render.
Render. Rub down it. Okay. So first you flash it out, and then you render it. Alright, ready guys? Alright guys, so and then you sponge it off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finishing touch item.
And you use one smaller?
Yeah.
What you call this one? Float. You use a smaller float. You want to pass boy? So guys, you see, neat up all the little edges them and them thing there. Tell them what you do.
Sponge me and sponge off, you know, make it.
When you sponge off, what happens?
Neat and pretty, you know.
Alright.
Not like a wheelie nor nothing.
When you broke it?
Not broke, you know?
Because?
It's all like a wheelie. I rub a sponge pan, everything gone.
Oh, let me see it now after you move. Alright. See it there, guys? How you call this? You finishing? Alright, guys, you see me now? Finishing. Alright, guys, so when you finish, me I go show you before and after, and me I go paint it. See, oh, see finishing, and you say, show over here, sir. Alright, smooth. Smooth like a baby bottom. Ain't Patrick?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Soften up this here. So, look a bit of water. It's a hard up patcha.
See what I want to do left.
You doing? Call up on inside.
Patrick, oh, you have to do it like this. Oh guys, it's Patrick, you see me can mix it too. Yeah, man. Start about me can flash too, you know. Soup up. Yeah, we mix up before you hard up, Patrick. Yeah. Wow, more water. Good save piece. I will put it down then, are you? I don't know if I'm alright. You ready?
Yeah. Omar don't understand the word.
Omar! Omar! Like, so you don't understand the word?
How will you make it?
How you gonna put it? Alright, Lali. See you ready?
That's it.
Oh God, come in now, sit. Paula, run gone the dark, you know, still, but. Yeah. Then Patrick, then the panny for money. She knows what she did on YouTube. Patrick, you do the finishing up now.
Yeah, finishing up.
See it, guys, one more side and we're done. I'll put some paint on it, right? Alright, guys, I will show you the final result. Alright, guys, my sister Paula cook curry chicken. What is Paula? Renta yam? And breadfruit, our yellow yam. Yes. And dumpling too. But me not take no dumpling, guys. So this is my dinner. I'm gonna dive in it now, guys. So thank the Lord and bless the hand. You want something to eat now? Alright, guys. So good. And me I go beat off myself, you know, guys. My brother cause cook dasheen, dumpling, cabbage, a cabbage this and pop chai cabbage, and yam, renta yam and some saltfish cook up. See, it look nice. Taste a little piece. Let me show you how a dasheen, guys. Real country food. You see this? Put in a little gravy here. I am hungry. Alright, guys, this is where we're at with the ceiling. We just have to line it up a little bit, and I paint it in the yellow, more yellow, and this one in the gray, and that's how it's looking. Cause it's cool and nice up there. So guys, we do a little painting, and that's how it's looking now. And the step is paint. Guys, me sit down code dust take me up all painting on my head as whatever in there. Guys, this song in the car back, see me? Just done paint.